Hey everyone, Sterling here. We're going to be looking at the euro today. Just wanted to throw on the video camera real quick. We have the euro setting up for a potential long. Really nice risk reward from this point. We've had three waves to the downside, without a doubt on the euro. But the one thing that was interesting that kind of got me back looking at this is this period of accumulation through here. A lot of tests to the upside, test down, test up, test down. Very indicative of accumulation. Now, because this is at the end of a move, it's essentially accumulation is the same thing as exiting a position. It's moving the price back and forth without picking a trend, inducing buyers and sellers, confusing the market, which is a great place to accumulate. This is why you see periods of accumulation, which is that back and forth choppy price action before the market moves. You also see it at the end of the move, and it serves the same purpose, except it's for the exiting of a position. Again, because of the position size smart money enters, it's not possible to simply click buy or sell. Therefore, positions are entered, not only entered over the course of time, but also exited over the course of time. So noticing this accumulation after the three waves down, seeing it push to the downside and fail, gives me a strong indication that this accumulation is marking the end of the move. Additionally, there's been, without a doubt, at least three clear waves to the downside. And with this second retest, the probability lies that this is just, again, a manipulation move to induce the retail side to sell. Again, if you want to buy the market and you're smart money, you have to induce retail selling. If you don't have sellers, there's nobody to buy the market from. Therefore, inducing sellers coming down, creating that bottoming formation. So I'm going to be going long from this point. Right now, the price is 31.07, roughly getting 31.09. And from this point, it's offering a nice stop. 20 pips will clearly cover the low. And again, if this level is going to hold, I don't think we're going to see much of a break below 3100. May crest below 3100, take out any limit orders just below that. But I don't think we'll see much of a push below that. That's why I think that 3108, 3109 entry is safe. Again, in combination with the three waves down, bottoming, what looks like a bottoming formation, as well as that standard accumulation before the bottoming formation. So kind of the pieces, what we talk about in the room, the pieces of the puzzle coming together. It's not any one individual thing that gives you, okay, the strong indication the smart money is doing this. It's the accumulative knowledge of what we see. And also on the daily chart, it looks like this is the third longer term push to the downside. So be looking for a little bit larger run. This will probably be a trade that if we manage to if this bottoming formation holds and it does in fact do what we're thinking it's going to do, this will be a trade that we hold for a little bit longer. Maybe the trade will hold for a couple days through the end of this week. You don't always get that opportunity, but when you do, it's important to capitalize on it. So we'll let this trade play out a bit, and we'll come back and update this trade once we see the bottoming formation complete and see what we're going to be doing moving forward. So we'll be back in a little. Hey everyone, it's March 8th. We're going to be covering the end of this euro trade. We'll do a real quick video here. I got to jump in the room real quick, but we have what looks like a potential third push up finally, and additionally ending in a topping formation and having a nice little stop run at that high as well. It's possible we see a little further upside because it is early on in the New York reversal time generally when you see those reversals. So it's possible we see a little more upside, but I'm happy with 130 pips and I'll be taking my exit at this point. This is a trade that was a nice trade. A lot of people caught it in the forum. We've been talking about it for a couple days, so there's plenty of time to enter. Actually, it gave a second entry here yesterday when it came back and gave a little stop run on the lows. Went about, I'd say about 15 pips against the original entry the previous day, and had a very nice move up from there. Actually, one of the members caught it from this point. So glad you guys did well in this trade, and this is a nice overall trade. We'll wait for the next one, and until next time, guys, happy trading.